Alright guys, I'm back out here. This video is not going to be super long. This is just a video of winds that are blowing at about 30 miles an hour. At least for now. But I can't be out here for too long because, I'm playing a game right now that I can't get disconnected from. Like, my computer's on. Plus, it's not very windy out here anyway. At least not right now. Well, it's windy. Honestly, I haven't seen any power flashes, which I'm a bit surprised about. But I'm gonna go inside for now. I'll see you guys later. Or maybe I won't, I don't know. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. I gotta get back to my game. Actually, never mind, it's not too windy right now. But maybe it'll get windy later, and I'll be shooting the video when it does. But right now, I'm kind of in the middle of the game, so I gotta go. Alright, see you later. Yeah, hold on. But yeah, so you can definitely hear that wind. Alright. Wait for this wind gust. The power just go out again. Alright, that's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you guys later.